I really didn't know what I wanted to do, and I was talking to one of my friends in 6th year, and he said, oh yeah, my sister did physics, and she loved it. And so I went all in, and I picked physics, threw it at the top of my CAO, and I've never looked back. All the people I've met have definitely made the difference in my enjoyment. In my course specifically, maths and physics, there's about 8 of us, and we're really close-knit. We have a group chat on Facebook. We're constantly in there talking to each other, asking each other questions, and even mingling with all the other physics students. We're all like a family, really. The labs were great. They really were, because we were given a problem, we had to find something, and then we were left to our own devices. We could use Excel, we could use other software packages to try and find what we needed. For example, finding, the acceleration due to gravity, or the friction on a wooden wheel. These things, we were able to find them using our software, using our experimental methods, and it was a great way to learn. I still remember all the experiments from 1st year. Now that we're in 3rd year, the science of the class has gone down, and lectures have become much more personal, and you sort of feel much closer to the lecturer, and you don't feel afraid to ask a question. Now I've built up my knowledge of physics to the point where I can go onto the internet, or I can pick up any book, and just the amount of papers you can read, the amount of text out there about all different types of physics, physics blended with chemistry, with biology, with mathematics. I can go down any hole I want and sort of end up buried in knowledge, and I think that's great, fantastic. When you go into physics, you can pick what you're most interested in, and you can follow that. And even if you end up finding out that, oh, I didn't really like that as much as I thought I would, there are just so many other areas that you can move into, that you can cross the lines between. And that's a really powerful thing about physics, a really enjoyable thing. I like UCC because it's in Cork, and I think Cork is amazing. It's a lovely little city. I don't think I could ever hack living in a real big city, so Cork is really the perfect place for me.